And he said what? Kill them again.
Kill one, kill two, kill three, kill four, kill five. Kill them again. Kill one, kill two, kill three, kill four.
Manga.
Kill them again. Kill one.
Wara get wicked rude, boy.
Hey, Manga, you fucking four-eyed prick. You think I knew that was you this whole time? You're lucky I don't smoke you. Hey, Jammer, you sure this is my man's door, yeah?
Yeah, it is.
He's coming. Hold on, wait there.
Bruv, why you making me do
Headshot straight
this?
away, watch this.
Oh, bruv, I don't want to be here.
Wagwan, Wiley! Oi, Richard, I'm toiling whirlwind, you around tornado mode, get your grind set snap too. You're upset, still wishing I sketch like you. You got lost in the pop scene, every now and then I disappear and come back to protect my views. You were never riding for us, you did lines with your son. If you're gonna take money from companies and get drugs, take time with injections, mind you. Your daughter's in hospital, she's a little bitch, she'll survive till I kill her with a switch. Life support is down, piss on the grave, I'll be on it. Straight how we go for good, I'm on it, killing kids like you. I've done so much for Grime and he hides it, got more instrumentals online, it's true. These niggas getting body for fun, now homie them. You wanna skate, I'm getting you jumped to ollie them. And Eski's done, he ain't got it like the early days. I run in your crib real quick to them burst your bait. I'll never miss a hit, your kids, fish, girl and me. Send their souls up to the sky, pearly gates. I saw your mum can for some burn to blaze, so I slapped her up with your 38. I ride on my ones, Bangles is push jar, but you said he's one of yours, brother, earn your change. In E3, Dot just raised the murder rate, hurricane inside your crib and desert the place. And get your mum off a coke for a minute, stop boning your sisters and sisters, the dirty trait. He knows Dot's got skilled, he got blammed and grilled, and he gave me one dub, it was overlaid. You're getting old and grey, I'll say the same shit about you, cause the truth don't go away.
I'll aim and blaze your wife's ever body parts exceptionally gross. I came to take a life hostage. I got Wiley's mum at gunpoint, she's giving neck to me, I swear. Dick in her neck. Deep throat, don't breathe, you're a scat. Dick in her neck. Deep throat, no teeth getting wet. Dick in her neck. Deep throat, she's needing a sex. Fill her with lead. Deep throat, bust shots, I'm leaving her dead. Snakes in the grasses, remember when I pulled up to E3 on smoke and I had Eskimos dancing. Big up D-Roll, Miller had me in the studio and nobody wanted to see a nigga advancing. No good barring, I know that you're talking in that Dutch green strippers bush when you drive past it. Don't pass that shit to me though, your split slates and your big face licks them pussies and arses. I rub on old dubs quite well, what? You phone guys and try switch the wall, but I ain't gonna sit around for time to get shelled off. I'll send shots in your car, shots in your pet, shots in your kids, but my dick's when your girl got. He's scared behind his keypad cause he fell off. Rub on your punchline sequence, you caught diseases that had you not feeling like hell's hard. I stick a spoon for your daughter at dinner, stick a fork in your grandma's eye chinner. Liver, I grab the bread knife and filler, rip off the tablecloth, choke and driller. Nigga, I turn round looking like Thriller, I'm knifing up ladies, your mama get shiver. And then I grab kiss a revolver like you're getting sacrificed, fuck your bloodline, mine's realer. It's peace, son, and I can hear it in your voice that you're a fiend, son. I got these cowards tied up, they're trying to scream, son. Why is your mum trying to give me neck for a freedom? I'm a whisper, in the air not to have any fear when I'm holding this plastic on me, son. Ain't trash, but should be down on one knee, young. She's experienced the way she make me come and pull out my condom, cock it and be one. I'll aim and blaze your wife's ever body parts exceptionally gross. I came to take a life hostage. I got Wiley's mum at gunpoint, she's giving neck to me, I swear. Dick in her neck. Deep throat, don't breathe, you're a scat. Dick in her neck. Deep throat, no teeth getting wet. Dick in her neck. Deep throat, she's needing a sex. Fill her with lead. Deep throat, bust shots, I'm leaving her dead. Will won't see me in real life cause I'm poor man, running them down Roman road with a sword and giving bad luck, that's a plate full of corn fam. Beef greasy with green eggs and ham. You're not a star, it's not that. You in a bar but got smashed and cooked with the whack flow. No one ever followed Wiley but on ways he got located in broad day, bait face and clap close. When you fly off the handles rule, you're always tweeting. Where's your dubs, your cake eating? Your dub was a dead one, sleeping. Sound shit, that's what fans are speaking. Sounds like you don't know your pattern and your sequence. While looking for dirt, you got murder 3 evenings. Weekend, tell him man these flows got creases. Lies about addictions, but we know you're a fiend, prick. I'm on your head of him, bought my kid's mum's house lights, stop selling them. Kill her mum, calf carries up, I'll be chefing her. She got batteries in your house on a regular. Wiley's a broken man, so I'm betting her. You will not survive with a smoke, this is an overload. I hit you with bare dubs, you ain't said enough. You should've got a better rhythm from a predator. You ain't hard to the rhythms like a better ya. Is there any knowledge in your head, nutter? When I made my grandma was a stupid, Papa leaves old school G's. When you see them man, you beg it up. You're on drugs all the time and it's getting nuts. You're not ready, G, thought you could bury me and use my pattern and claim that it's yours. Got your whole family on the ropes when I pen them up. I'll aim and blaze your wife's ever body parts exceptionally gross. I came to take a life hostage. I got Wiley's mum at gunpoint, she's giving neck to me, I swear. Dick in her neck. Deep throat, don't breathe, you're a scat. Dick in her neck. Deep throat, no teeth getting wet. Dick in her neck. Deep throat, she's needing a sex. Fill her with lead. Deep throat, bust shots, I'm leaving her dead.
Hey Will, Richard, whatever you wanna fucking call yourself, you gonna have that. You gonna have it, bruv, you can't have that. I've been in the studio for 3 weeks, I ain't beat nothing. I literally just let off my whole load in your mum's face. Went to the cupboard over there, pulled out my machine, cocked my ting, and burst her. Do you know how much people have to call to clean this up? My dick's big. wig, and there is a whole load of cum mixed with your mum's bloodstains all around my room, bruv. I gave your daughter a jetpack for Christmas, but that's in Watch a G shoot Celebrity Deathmatch. I don't give no shits about you, rude boy. Know what time it is. It's fuck you when you're alive. Fuck you to the grave. That's how I feel. What about that one? And when my son is older, rude boy, I'm gonna make him target your daughter. You know them old school secondary school feel-ups and that? Man's gonna make him take her to the back of the school with all the niggas and just make them go ham on her. That's the type of shit I'm on. I'm praying it happens. Pussy. Know what time it is. Dot Rotten. ClownBoy killer. Fuck Grime. All you artists, come at me if you're on this thing. But I know none of you are. UK trap. Fuck Grime. Grime has been abolished. Suck your mums. One more time. Fuck Grime. Fucking Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. 2020. Mine.